Students, I am going to discuss the third case third, to find the particular integral. Method to find pi. Third case is here. When RHS is a function of ax plus by, which is a polynomial, it can be done by like this. So particular integral is equal to 1 upon f dd dash phi of ax plus by. It's okay, students. This is if right hand side is a function of ax plus by, so we can do like this. यदि इस प्रकार का कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल है, दिस इज a जनरल function of ax plus by, whether it is applicable for exponential function also, it is applicable for trigonometrical function also. So we can do like this: 1 upon particular integral is equal to 1 upon FAB, means d replaced by a and d dash replaced by b. It means that d replaced by the coefficient of x and d dash replaced by coefficient of y. पिछले मेथड की तरह बिल्कुल हम a और b को उसी तरह से रिप्लेस करते हैं जैसे पिछले में एक्सपोनेंशियल और ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल में हम किया करते हैं. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल ना कहें क्योंकि ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल में डी स्क्वायर को ए स्क्वायर से रिप्लेस किया करते थे. यहाँ क्या है, d रिप्लेस्ड बाई ए, d डैश रिप्लेस्ड बाई बी. सो नाउ दिस बिकम्स एफ ए बी. और क्या करना है, हमें ये देखना है कि जो होमोजीनियस फंक्शन d और d डैश में है उसका ऑर्डर क्या है. अगर वो सेकेंड ऑर्डर का है तो हमें 2 बार इंटीग्रेशन, साइन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन यूज करना है. थर्ड ऑर्डर का है तो 3 बार यूज करना है. 4 ऑर्डर का है तो 4 बार यूज करना है. 4 टाइम्स इंटीग्रेशन साइन यूज करना है. और क्या करना है, फाई ऑफ यू डी यू कर देना है, वेयर u is ax plus by. Suppose that u is ax plus by. This is the procedure. फिर वही प्रोसीजर, अगर आफ्टर पुटिंग द वैल्यू d, the value of d, if d replaced by a, d dash replaced by b, and fab becomes 0, so fab should not be 0. ये उसी केस में अप्लीकेबल है. यदि 0 हो जाएगा तो फिर हम पुनः वही केस अडॉप्ट करेंगे, x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और डिनोमिनेटर को d के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, फिर ये प्रोसेस अप्लाई करेंगे. मैंने कहा, अभी जस्ट कहा, इस प्रोसेस इट कैन बी applicable for every function which is of the form phi ax plus by. That is, फॉर एग्जाम्पल e टू दी पावर ax प्लस by के लिए भी अप्लाई किया जा सकता है इसको, और साइन ax प्लस by के लिए अप्लाई किया जा सकता है इसको, और cos ax प्लस by के लिए भी अप्लाई किया जा सकता है इसको. हम एक एक करके आपको सारे मेथड इस पे बताएंगे। हम किस प्रकार से इसको एक्सपोनेंशियल के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे, किस प्रकार से इसको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे, और किस प्रकार जनरली हम इसको इस तरह से अप्लाई करेंगे। अब हम एक क्वेश्चन के माध्यम से, एग्जाम्पल के माध्यम से इसको हम देखेंगे। स्टूडेंट, एग्जाम्पल इज हियर, सॉल्व del 2z upon del x square plus 3 del 2z upon del x del y plus 2 del 2z upon del y2 इज इक्वल टू, हम ले लेते हैं यहाँ e टू द पावर 2x प्लस माइनस 3y। लेट अस टेक एन एग्जाम्पल e टू द पावर 2x माइनस 3y। पढ़ाए गए प्रीवियस मेथड से इसका सलूशन जो होगा हम आपको जज करके दिखाते हैं। पढ़ाए गए प्रीवियस मेथड से हमको इसको लिख सकते हैं, द गिवन पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कैन बी रिटन एज, क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको हम, डी स्क्वायर प्लस 3dd डैश प्लस 2d डैश स्क्वायर z इक्वल टू e टू द पावर 2x माइनस 3y। दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1। okay students, so now just see here, to find its solution, first find CF and then PI. So to find CF, write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation can be written by replacing d by m, d dash by 1, it becomes m square plus 3m plus 1 equal to 0. Here the value becomes m plus 2, m plus, I think this is 2, sorry, this should be 2, m plus 2, m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now m is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. Now CFP as per the rule phi 1 y plus mx, mx is here minus 1, so y minus x, plus phi 2 y plus mx, second b mb minus 2x. Okay students, this is second equation. So just see how to find the particular integral. By the previous method, the particular integral is, by the previous method जो आपको पढ़ाया जा चुका है इससे पहले, the particular integral is d square plus 3dd dash plus 2d dash square e to the power 2x minus 3y. As you know, to find pi, replace d by a it means the coefficient of x, and d dash by b it means coefficient of y, so it should be 2 square plus 3 into 2, and coefficient of y is minus 3, so it becomes minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 whole square. Okay, 2x minus 3y. It means that this becomes 2 2 ja 4 and 3 3 ja 9, 2 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 2 ja 18, this becomes 18 e to the power 2x minus 3y. Okay students, so now from here just see, I think this cancel with this, it becomes, the particular integral becomes 1 by 4 e to the power 2x minus 3y. This is the third equation. Now complete solution B. Now complete solution is equal to CF plus PI. CF is here. Complete solution Z equal to CF is here. It is given here. Phi 1 y minus x plus phi 2 y minus 2x. So from 2 CFB phi 1 y minus x plus phi 2 y minus 2x, and PIB 1 upon 4 e to the power 2x minus 3y. This is the solution by the method which you have taught earlier. But this particular integral can be find out by this general method also. So I am going to do second method. सेकेंड मेथड कह सकते हैं या ये मेथड जनरल मेथड कह सकते हैं, जिस मेथड से हम पी आई फाइंड आउट करेंगे. पी आई इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन just see here d square plus 3d d dash plus 2d dash square e to the power 2x minus 3y. So students, just see here, the denominator means the denominator part is a homogeneous function of d dash which is of order 2. So just I have told that d replaced by this method d replaced by a and d dash replaced by b, and put the function ax plus by is equal to u, and integrate. If the order of this denominator be 2, so integrate 2 times, order be 3, so integrate 3 times. So now from here just see 1 upon, by the same process which we have done earlier, d replaced by 2, it means 2 square plus 3 into 2 into minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 whole square, and after that integrate 2 times e to the power u du, where as per the rule u equal to 2x minus 3y. Just see here students. So now from here, after simplifying this term, it becomes 4 minus 3 3 ja 9 2 ja 18, and this becomes plus 18. Integration 2 time of integration e to the power u, e to the power, first time of integration e to the power u is e to the power u, second time we e to the power u, again integrate with respect to u, becomes e to the power u. So now this becomes e to the power u. After that it becomes 1 upon again 4 e to the power u. So u replaced by 2x minus 3y. You will find that the same result by this method also, e to the power 2x minus 3y. Just see student, प्रीवियस पढ़ाए गए मेथड से भी आपने जब सॉल्व किया तो उसका रिजल्ट यही था. इस मेथड से जब आपने सॉल्व किया तो उसका रिजल्ट यही है. एक हम दूसरा फंक्शन लेके, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन लेके इसी तरह के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे. इफ इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस, इफ देयर विल बी साइन और कॉस फंक्शंस, हाउ टू सॉल्व, हाउ टू फाइंड how to find the particular integral by the previous method which you have learned, and by this method also I am going to tell you. Just see here. So student, just see second example, another example I am going to tell you del 2z upon del x square plus 3 del 2z upon del x del y plus 2 del 2z upon this be sine x minus y. Just see here, x minus y, either you will put minus x plus 2x minus 3y or 2x plus y, anything which you want to put here, you can solve. So solution be like this. Just we have done this question earlier. So now the given differential equation, the given partial differential equation can be written as d square plus 3d dash plus 2d dash square z equal to sine x minus y. You can put x minus y, either x minus y or 2x means any function of x and y, trigonometrical function. So its complementary function is earlier we have find here complementary function be phi 1 y minus x plus phi 2 y minus 2x, phi 1 y minus x plus phi 2 y minus 2x. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So by the previous method, its particular integral is here 1 upon d square plus 3d dash plus 2d dash square. Just see here, and here this becomes sine x minus y. So now, as you know, d square replaced by minus a square. Earlier you have learned that d square replaced by minus a square, d dash replaced by minus ab, d dash square replaced by minus b square. So now this becomes d square replaced by minus a square. A is here coefficient of x, means minus 1 square plus 3 into 1, because of coefficient of x is 1. D square replaced by minus a square. The value of a is here a equal to 1. So now this it becomes minus 1 square. 3 into 1 into the coefficient of y is minus 1. So we will put minus 1. Okay, student. Plus 2 minus b square. So minus 1 square, because of the value of b is here minus 1. So now here it becomes minus 1 square becomes minus 1, and this becomes minus 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 3, and this is minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So student, this becomes sine x minus y. Now its particular integral is just see, its particular integral is 32516 minus 6 sine x minus y. Okay beta, this is the particular. So complete solution be again complete solution be CF plus PI. So now it Z equal to CF is here, just we have written here, this is equation third, it should be third. So from second equation CF is here phi 1 y minus x plus phi 2 y minus 2x and PIB minus 1 upon 6 sine x minus y. This is the complete solution. Now second method to find pi. To find pi is here. Pi is again by this method. Just we have told that if right hand side be any function of xy, whether it may be exponential, whether it may algebraic, whether it may be trigonometrical, we can apply. Now for this function I am going to apply d square plus 3dd dash plus 2d dash square. This is sine x minus y. So by the way, just we have told that in this method d replaced by a, d dash replaced by b. So now this becomes d is over here 1 square plus 3 into 1 into minus 1, okay, plus 2 into minus 1 square. It's okay. So from here, and integration of double integration of sine u du because of where u equal to x minus y. Just see student, just see here, it becomes, just see, it becomes particular integral is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 3 minus 2 integration, first time integration of sine u be integration of this be minus cos u du, and again it becomes 3 to 5 1 minus 4, it becomes minus 4, and this is minus cos u, integration of cos u be sine u, so minus sine u. It becomes minus and minus becomes plus 1 upon 4 sine u. So now here 1 upon 4 sine u is a x minus y. स्टूडेंट थोड़ी सी यहाँ गलती हुई है, इसको इम्प्रूव कर लें. माइनस ए बी होता है यहाँ, दिस शुड बी माइनस ए बी, माइनस ए बी. सो इट बिकम्स minus 1 square 3 into dd replaced by minus ab, so it becomes minus a into b, so it becomes plus. Okay, again just see, minus a square is here this, and minus b square, b is here minus 1, it becomes I think it becomes minus 2. So now something is going to wrong. Where it is going to wrong, minus 3, it becomes, sorry, it becomes plus 2, sorry for that, because of minus 1 square becomes 1, 2 into 1 becomes 2, so it becomes 2 or 3, 2 and 1, 3 minus 3 becomes 0. It should be 0. It should be 0. Sorry. It should be 0. So now we will apply the second case becomes fail. Just see, it should be 0. Case fail. After failing the case, यहाँ भी हो जाएगा, it should be 0. So case फेल कर जाएगा. केस फेल कर जाने के बाद आफ्टर दैट मल्टीप्लाई x by the numerator and differentiate denominator by this 2d plus 3d dash. Okay, 2d plus 3d dash sine x minus y. So this is first order first order homogeneous function. So d replaced by a 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 and integrate 1 times sine u du. It means that x by 2 into minus 3 sine is a minus cos u. It means that x minus x cos u upon minus 1, it means that x cos u, this becomes x cos x minus y. This is pi, sorry for that, this is pi. So by the same process we will do here. If case becomes fail, so now differentiate this. Particular integral is equal to 1 upon x upon 2d plus 3d dash 2d plus 3d dash sine x minus y. So by putting replace d by 1 and d dash by minus 1, it becomes replace 2d plus d dash 2d plus d dash. So it becomes, I am going to do here, particular integral is, just see, particular integral is x into multiply by its by this becomes 2d plus 3d dash multiplying by its conjugate to make it square sine x minus y. It is very interesting problem. So it becomes x 2d minus 3d dash and it becomes 4d square minus 9d dash square. Just see students, sine x minus y. So from here you can see x, this becomes d square replaced by minus a square, so 4 into minus 1 square minus 9 and it becomes minus b square, so minus of minus 1 square 2d minus 3d dash sine x minus y. Okay students, so from here denominator part becomes like this. Just see, x into 2d minus 3d dash sine x minus y upon, this is minus 4 and this is minus 4 and this is minus 1 into plus 9. So it becomes minus 4 plus 9, it becomes 5. So x see here, x particular integral is equal to x 2d minus 3d dash upon 5 sine x minus y. So now differentiation x by 5 taking outside, to differentiation of this with respect to x. So 2 times sine is differentiated with respect to cos, 2 times cos, differentiation of sine x be cos x minus y. Minus 3 differentiation of sine with respect to y, it means that its value becomes like this, sine is cos x minus y into minus 1. It's okay students. So this becomes x upon 5, this is a 2 cos x minus y and this becomes plus 3 cos x minus y. So now it becomes x upon 5 into 3 and 2 becomes 5 cos x minus y. So 5 cancel with this, again its value becomes x minus y. This is particular integral by the previous method which you have learned थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई, थोड़ी सी चूक हो गई थी। यहाँ हम इस मेथड को इस तरह से कर सकते हैं। जो रिजल्ट आपने देखा कि इस डायरेक्ट मेथड से आया हुआ है, वही रिजल्ट इस मेथड से भी हम ला सकते हैं। इस तरह से हम पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल निकाल करके अगेन कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन CS is equal to CF plus PI. Now CF is phi 1 y minus x plus phi 2 y minus 2x plus x cos x minus y. This is value of z. So in this way we will do the problem based upon this content. I am going to discuss one more problem. Example is here. Solve del 2z upon del x square plus 3 del 2z upon del x del y plus 2 del 2z upon del y square is equal to, if you will write here sin if 2x minus y. If you want to find the value of this, so we can solve again by this method. The given partial differential equation can be written as d square plus 3d dash plus 2d dash square z equal to 2x minus y. Again like this, again doing it, its CF is just, we have find its CF is phi 1 y minus x plus phi 2 y minus 2x. Okay students, now particular integral is by this method d square plus 3d dash plus 2d dash square into 2x minus y. Since denominator is a homogeneous function of order 2, so now d replaced by the method d replaced by a, so 2 square plus 3 into 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 square. And since it is of order 2, so now integrate this u two times, where u equal to 2x minus y. Okay students, so now from here this becomes 1 upon 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 2, because of this become minus 1 square 1 6. This is again it becomes 0, so now because of 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6 minus 6, and this becomes plus 2, 4 to 6 minus 6, again the case becomes fail. So now particular integral multiplied by numerator by x and denominator by differentiated by with respect to d, it becomes 3d dash 2x minus y. So here x, and again here the denominator is a homogeneous function of order 1, so d replaced by 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1, and integrate 1 times u du, where u equal to 2x minus y. It becomes like this, x upon 2 minus 3, integration is u square by 2. Now it becomes minus x u square by 2. So particular integral is माइनस एक्स यू स्क्वायर 2x minus y whole square by 2. So complete solution CF plus PI, CF plus PI, it means that CF is here phi 1 y minus x plus phi 2 y minus 2x plus PI, it means minus x by 2x minus y whole square. This is the value of z. This is the solution. This is the solution. So students, इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने आपको ये बताया कि हम एक ही मेथड के थ्रू पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल, एक ही मेथड के इसको पढ़ करके हम पीछे पढ़ाए गए एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन के केस को, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन के केस को भी इस मेथड से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ईजिली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। बट आपने ये देखा होगा कि जो प्रोसेस सॉल्व करने का इजी डायरेक्ट मेथड अपने मेथड में है, जैसे हमने एक्सपोनेंशियल का जो मेथड बताया था उसमें हमने बताया था डी को ए से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं, डी डैश को बी से रिप्लेस कर देते हैं। उतना आसान ये मेथड नहीं है, थोड़ा ये कठिन ज़रूर है, लेकिन रिजल्ट आपने ये देखा होगा कि रिजल्ट में कहीं कोई कन्फ्यूजन नहीं है। जो रिजल्ट प्रीवियस पढ़ाए गए मेथड से आ रहा था, पी आई इक्वल टू 1/4 ई टू दी पावर 2x माइनस 3y, वही रिजल्ट पी आई इक्वल टू 1/4 ई टू दी पावर 2x माइनस 3y, वही सेम रिजल्ट आना है। इसमें कहीं कोई कन्फ्यूजन ना रहे आपको। तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी आपने इस तरह का देखा कि अगर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन लेते हैं, इट इज़ अप्लीकेबल फॉर कॉस फंक्शन आल्सो if it be sin replaced by cos, so the method is same. Now just see here, थोड़ी सी मैंने गलती कर दी थी यहाँ लेने में, जबकि लिखा सही गया था। डी स्क्वायर को माइनस ए स्क्वायर से रिप्लेस करना था, डी डैश को माइनस ए बी से रिप्लेस करना था, डी डैश स्क्वायर को माइनस बी स्क्वायर से रिप्लेस करना था, लेकिन करते समय अब यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं केस क्या हो गया, फेल कर गया। जैसे ही केस फेल होगा, मैंने आपको बता रखा है ये तभी अप्लीकेबल है जब एफ ए बी डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट 0 ना हो। जैसे ही केस फेल कर जाएगा, हम न्यूमरेटर को x के से डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को d के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे। इट मीन्स 2d प्लस 3d डैश। लेकिन डायरेक्ट मेथड में आपने ऐसा पढ़ा है कि डायरेक्ट मेथड में हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन यदि होगा तो हमें ये केस ज़रूर फॉलो करना होगा कि डिनोमिनेटर शुड बी डी स्क्वायर, आइदर डी स्क्वायर, आइदर डी डैश और डी डैश स्क्वायर। So to make it multiply its conjugate by 2d minus 3d dash in numerator as well as denominator both, we will obtain in the denominator is 4d square minus 9, because of this is a plus b, a minus b. Now we can apply this method. By applying this method, d square replaced by minus a square, just we have told. So now d square replaced by minus a square, it becomes minus a square minus 9, d dash square replaced by minus 1 square, because of coefficient of yb is minus 1. So now it becomes x into 2d minus 3d sin x minus y, and this is minus 4, this is minus 4, and this is minus 9, and it becomes minus 1 also, so this it becomes plus 9. So now going to the next page, it becomes 1/5 x into this. So multiplying by 1x upon 5, taking common 2d, d stand for d del by del x, d dash stand for del by del y. So now differentiate first with respect to x, we will obtain this. Differentiate second differentiation with respect to y, we will obtain this. This is not x square, this is curly bracket. So it becomes x by 5 2 cos x minus y, it becomes plus, due to this minus sign it becomes plus. So 3 cos x minus y plus 2 cos x minus y becomes 5 cos x minus 5, cancel with x. So particular integral becomes x cos x minus y. this is by the direct method, but by this method, just you have seen, by this method also you can find out the particular integral also. Here case becomes also be fail, so by differentiating multiplying numerator by x and differentiating denominator by this, and after that, since denominator is of order 1, so integrate this function 1 times only, you will obtain that, we will obtain that integration of sin u be minus cos u, and this becomes 2 minus 3, it becomes minus 1, minus cancel with this, minus x cos u, and x cos u replaced by x minus y, we will obtain the same particular integral by this method also. So now today you have learned more about the particular third case by which you can find the particular integral. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम चौथे केस के बारे में भी देखेंगे बेटा, चौथा केस देखेंगे और एक जनरल केस भी देखेंगे। सो आज बस यहीं तक, अगले वीडियो में हम चौथे केस के बारे में जिक्र करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।